Well, what can I say? What can I say? It's been an absolute pleasure to be invited up here to see the new laboratory for Preventx, to get a tour, to meet the CEO, Ruth Poole, and to meet Tim, the founder.
Once people started arriving and the Lady Mayor arrived, it was fantastic how she was really supportive about the business that we built here in Sheffield. And what's been an amazing and perhaps a highlight for me today is how proud everybody has been about the work that they do and how much they've wanted to really demonstrate the great benefit that we deliver to patients up here in a lab in Sheffield.
Well, thank you so much for inviting me here today. I can't tell you how excited I am for your future, because I can see that this could go wow, just like that. So we need to be ready for that.
Feedback that I've heard is very, very positive. We've had people see the lab today that saw it at the beginning when it was so small, and now they've been able to see the growth. And they've enjoyed going around, speaking to people, seeing the new equipment and seeing the new laboratory space, and all very positive. And they're excited with us to see the growth of Preventx.
The expansion is impressive, and to see what's going on in the labs now and their growth over the last 4 years has really impressed me.
It was great. It was actually a really important moment for us. I think everyone's worked really hard to get the laboratory ready to show today, and it was wonderful to be able to welcome customers in, to meet the staff, and I think what we noticed was how impressed our customers and suppliers were with what we've been able to achieve by doubling the size of our laboratory. There was lots of discussion and sharing of ideas and thoughts, and it was great to be able to have our European colleagues as well, who are sort of now part of the Preventx family, be able to sort of share this day with us.
There's lots of things that are to come. We've got a big plan of international expansion, which we're really keen to get after. But the really important thing is to focus on the quality of the service that we provide for individual service users.